Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to RJ Craft, my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I am RJ. You are watching RJ Crafts. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for nice compliment. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Today I will show you this pattern. It's so easy. You can make scarf, baby blanket, baby's dress, cardigan, whatever you can make, much more with this pattern. So I use this yarn. You can whatever you want to use. So this is this yarn, and it's recommend 4mm hook, but I used 3.5mm hook. You can't use 4mm hook. You should read your yarn's label, then you can use hook number. So I hope you like this pattern. I will show you step by step, really easy pattern. Okay viewers, let's start. Loop. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So with this pattern you can make any 1 meter, 90 centimeter, whatever. You can make like 90 chains, or just you should have like the even number. I'm gonna make a single crochet next. Okay, this first row I'm gonna make single crochet. So it's pretty good for heart and baby blanket. You can make baby cardigan, many things with this pattern. Or even if you want, you can use more than one color. I'm just gonna show one color. So at the end I should have 90 single crochet. Okay, 19 single crochet, because I made 20 chains. Today is so cold viewers in England. So viewers, I have 19 single crochet. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. I have 19 single crochet. Now chain 1. So first always make single crochet. Okay, first one single crochet and last one always single crochet. Okay, now yarn over. Next stitch I'm gonna make half crochet, then next I'm gonna make slip stitch, yarn over, half, then next slip stitch, half, next slip stitch, half double crochet, next slip stitch, half double crochet, next slip stitch, half, next slip stitch, half, next slip stitch, half, next slip stitch. So half, then at the end I'm gonna make single crochet. Okay, single crochet, always chain 1. always chain 1. So here 1, 2, 3. So this row I'm gonna make continue like single crochet. At the end I should have 19 single crochet. So I'll show you at the end again. Viewers, I have 19 single crochet now. Chain 1, always here single crochet, yarn over, then half double, then slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch. Is this pattern use multiple too. Slip stitch, half double crochet, 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 half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, at the end single crochet, always chain 1. So here this row, 1 row, this pattern just go 2 rows, 1 single crochet, 1 with slip stitch and half double crochet. So easy pattern. Half of single, this row will go single crochet. I'm gonna continue with single crochet. Each stitch, don't miss any. If you miss any, then you at the end you will go wrong. So like this. I'm using 3.5 millimeter hook. This yarn recommend you should read the label of yarn. So other side look like this. You can see chain 1, single crochet, then half double, slip stitch, half double, slip stitch, half double, slip stitch. So viewers, I'm gonna continue like this. I'll show you at the end how look like this pattern. Okay viewers, I'm gonna stop my model. I made a small model, but it's pretty good to learn this easy pattern. I hope you will like it. This is for all, for jacket, blanket, baby's hat, scarf. It's so soft pattern as well, and easy. One side is plain, this is back side, it's plain, this is front side. So you can see also edges. This is so easy. I hope you will like it. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching RJ Crafts.